name is Scarlett from Zhuzhou Gold Soil Cemented Carbide Company. Our company is the largest cemented carbide production and sales base in China. Now we're going to show you our workshop. Now we can see this machine will do the powder drying. Then the dried powder will be sieved and pelletized. Now what is shown here is our pressing workshop. There are many equipments with different pressures. We can say here is our sintering furnace. The product is pressed into a variety of shapes put into the sintering furnace. After a high temperature of more than 1,400 degrees to form the blend. Finally, we will have different process according to our customers' needs.
Our worker is packing the product. Our company specializes in producing tungsten carbide strips, plates, and bar, and we can customize the product according to demand. Now you can see this is one of our hot-selling products. It's super long. It's about 1.8 meter. You can see this is our customized product. It's high precision and it has been punching and shaping.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.